$1,000. So we got 2,545 right here, 556 available, 170 in euro, and then 277 on hold, 25 in euro. Okay, so that's equals out to around $35,000, totaling up everything. So now that I gave you guys proof, let me talk a little bit about what Builderall is, if you don't know already. Basically, it's a similar platform to ClickFunnels, Wix. It's just a digital marketing platform. Now, Builderall has all kinds of tools as far as funnels go. So let me show you guys some funnels that you can use. So it just has all types of different stuff. It has different categories. So it's just a funnel builder. Plus, it also has a bunch of digital marketing tools that I'd like to use. Okay, so it has an email marketing software. It has Design Studio Video. It has all these great apps like Facebook integration tools and apps, browser notifications, chat review, Facebook inbox answer, share locker, e-learning course, script generator, social proof. It even has a webinar platform, so you can host webinars on here. So it has all that different type of stuff, and then they have their affiliate program where you can promote Builderall and make commissions on a 2-tier level. Okay, so that's another thing I'll be talking about in just a second. So yeah, to sum it up, basically, Builderall is a digital marketing platform that helps entrepreneurs, internet marketers get more leads for their business, and just helps them out with their marketing a little bit better, right? Since they are a good platform that I actually use, I like their tools. They have a good affiliate program. They're newer in US, so it's not as competitive as people, everyone's promoting ClickFunnels and stuff like that. I honestly see more value in Builderall than ClickFunnels because of the cheaper price point it has. You can get all these tools, everything it has for $29 a month compared to that $300 per month that ClickFunnels has. And then if you want to promote Builderall, it's $49 a month. Okay, so that's another reason why I promote it. It's just a good product for what they're offering, right? The price that they put it at. It's a good product, okay? People are willing to buy it. All right, so now we're going to go into how I promote it. Okay, so how do I actually promote it? I do lots of stuff. Okay, obviously I have my YouTube channel that helps promote it too. I have my Facebook group that helps promote it. I run Facebook ads. I connect with people on Facebook. I have different funnels and stuff that I run ads to. And that all gets me leads every single day. Also, a big thing I do that a lot of people don't do is when I get new leads new trial leads for Builderall, what I do is I put all these emails in my own sequence. Okay, I have a 7-day email sequence, and that tends to convert at like 30%. Okay, so that's one thing I do that really helps people from the trial to an active lead, right? As you can see, they're in test mode right now, so I'd add them to the email sequence, and in those 7 days, it usually convinces them to upgrade to Builderall, because I show them all the tools it has, all the platform, all the capabilities of making money with Builderall by sharing it and being affiliate for it. So that's another reason why mine converts pretty good. All right, so if I show you on my phone, these are some of my ads running right now, but you can see my page. This is just my Ads Manager app, but you can see some of the ads running. And these are newer, but that all goes to my Builderall funnels. So let me show you guys that real quick. And I'm going to show you guys something that a lot of people don't do when they're promoting Builderall. Okay, so this is a big thing that helped me a lot, because like before I was doing this, I wasn't getting as much money as I could have. Okay, it really like doubled or even tripled my income with Builderall. Okay, so as you can see, let's say I have 100 active leads in a year. This is like the business calculator if you want to see exactly how much you can make. So let's say in a whole year you get 100 sales. Okay, so that's like that was like one of my goals, which I got, right? And let's say they convert to the Builderall business. Mine converted like 90%. And then, so as you can see right here, your monthly income is only $1,437. Okay, so as you can see, watch when I do this. Okay, if all these 100 get 10 people, and then this converts at the same thing, let's make it less to be conservative. Your monthly income goes to $13,830. So as you can see, all the money is in the 2-tier. Okay, all the money is really like training for me. It's training my 100 people into getting 10 results, okay, or more. Okay, so that's why I give a lot of training to people who sign up with me. Okay, I show them exactly what to do,